Hi, welcome to the Discover Your Life Today YouTube channel. My name is Maveen, Kaura. I'm going to go over 5 reasons why I forgot to meditate every day. Now, I know a lot of times you will probably hear from people, they'll tell you they meditate every single day, but they never really tell you that they forgot a day or why they forgot a day potentially. So I really want to share some of my successes, but I do also want to share some of the things that I have failed at and the reasons why I failed and what I'm doing to improve upon those failures so I can meditate every single day. So, looking at my 2017 list of reasons of why I didn't have a chance to meditate, I realized there was about 5 things that really stood out as main reasons to this happening. So I'm going to share what those 5 things are with you, and hopefully you can then learn the same way I'm learning from these 5 things on how to get around this so you can actually meditate every single day. The biggest thing I found is to meditate first thing in the morning is probably the best thing. It allows you not only just to have the clarity, you can also get it out of the way. As the day progresses, we get busy, we have different things that we need to do every single day, our families, our work, going out, enjoying ourselves, reading TV, whatever it is that you enjoy doing. Those are all the things that get in your way from meditating. So, I want you to understand that definitely I think the best thing to do is in the morning, but if you can at night, that's not a problem either. Just whatever time works best for you. So number 1 reason why I did not have a chance to meditate or why I forgot to was I really just got busy. Although my plan was to meditate every single morning when I woke up, many times I'd wake up if I'm hungry and I'd go downstairs, I'd go make some breakfast, and then I start working on my list of things to do. I don't necessarily like to meditate on a full stomach, and then I continue to go take a shower, or I start getting stuff done on the computer. I start getting behind on my tasks, or I feel like I'm behind on my tasks, so I need to complete those. So I look at it and say, I'll just meditate a little bit later down the road. The whole day goes like this sometimes, and I end up spending 20-30 minutes of silence can be very tough. So what I start doing is I start focusing on things I need to do rather than living in the moment and saying, what, I can put that aside and go and meditate instead. So my goal is to meditate right after I shower or before I shower nowadays. So again, typically the best time to do this would be in the morning. Getting up 20-30 minutes early will definitely help me accomplish that as well. Number 2, I didn't make the time. Although I enjoy the seated meditation every single day, I don't always make that a priority, although I feel I would like to make it more of a priority. I know sometimes other important things come up. I take a look at my schedule, and I have to schedule meditation into my schedule if I really want to make the time for something that is important to me or for yourself as well. Yeah, if it's important for you to get done, you have to schedule it. The reason I didn't meditate every day is because I felt that, one meditation could wait. Maybe I wasn't going to gain anything major from that meditation, so I really didn't need to do it. But that's when it adds up day after day after day, and those become a week or a month or, a couple of months a string together, and then you're like, man, I really need to get back to it. So you start feeling like that. The third reason was drinking or feeling its after effects. I don't drink every day. I don't really have a glass of wine, beer, or any hard liquor with dinner or anything like that. But, if I do have a drink, I will have a couple of drinks here and there, on the weekend or something like that with some friends I haven't seen in a while. Now, I usually do have a drink for maybe a special occasion, But what happens is, by the time I get home, let's say, for example, because I didn't meditate in the morning, I come home after having a drink or two, I don't really feel like going into my meditation room after having drinks to meditate. I feel like it's a very disrespectful to that energy in my meditation room and area, and I don't want to disturb it with my drinking. So what happens sometimes is, let's say if I drink a little too much, and then I feel the after effects of it the next day, and I don't feel like really meditating at that point either, because, I feel like, I just really want to get over that. Not that I ever wake up like that a lot, but it's happened, of course, in the future. It's happened in the past, and I really don't want to make that part of my future, sorry. Number 4, people come over. My wife and I, we do enjoy hosting parties. We don't host them that often, but we do enjoy them. When we do, we usually have about 10 to 15 people that typically come over. We might, do like a UFC fight or something like that at the house, have a bunch of food, whatnot. But anytime you're going to host a party, it does take time, right? And again, if I don't meditate in the morning, you get caught up in buying groceries, cleaning, cooking, everything, just so your house looks good for the people that are coming over. You want to make sure it looks clean, everything. You got to go buy maybe some extra drinks. People come over about 6 o'clock and stay till early morning, right? And then you forget about meditating because it's not the number one thing on your mind. And if you do have some drinks at your house, and again, it just compounds itself on the reason I don't end up meditating. And number 5, the reason was I didn't feel like it. Although I enjoy meditating and I get a lot out of it, there's numerous videos you can actually watch on YouTube, and I'll put some links in all 4 corners for you guys to see different reasons why I enjoy meditating and things I've gotten out of it. Sometimes I don't like sitting down for 20 or 30 minutes in a cross-legged position, to meditate. I feel like my back gets tight, my legs start getting numb, and I really don't like that feeling. So I just tend not to, right? Or I feel stiffness from working out or whatever. So just some of the reasons I don't end up meditating. I just wanted to really share with you 5 reasons why I forget or I really don't want to. Hope this has been really helpful for you on a way to find ways to not feel like you're a failure if you don't do it, because I know I don't feel like a failure when I don't do it. I just tell myself, get back to it when the time is right. Although I figure out every single day is the right time, sometimes, day after day, it's not the right time. You got different things. I just had a baby with my wife, of course, and it's really tough to find that time to meditate sometimes because you're, in between sleep or work or whatnot. But if it's important, you really have to make time for it. Hope you've enjoyed this YouTube video for Discover Your Life Today channel. My name again is Maveen Kaura. Please subscribe to the video if it's been helpful for you. Other than that, I hope you go out and have yourself a wonderful day.